Your car is a turbo? Check. Concrete and thorough? Check. Known around the world? Check. The blocks in the borough? Check.
When I look outside my window, I see haters all around.
So this is the start of an epic journey for my Escalade. Wait till you see what I'm about to do. For this journey, the 22s are gonna have to go back on, 28s are coming off, just till I get it back. There they are, on deck, ready to go at all times. They're a little dusty, but they're still there. They're in good shape, perfect shape, really. Slap them on, just out of curiosity. Wonder which weighs more, a 28-inch Forgiato or a stock Escalade 22. There it is, right there. All right, now let's wheel a 28 over here. There you have it. Stock 22 is 4 pounds lighter than the 28. Not too bad. All right, well, here she is, sitting on 22s, ready for her journey to New Mexico. I really love these turbos that I put on. It's the most amazing feeling driving down the street with these things on my truck. But I got a little bit of that feeling and I want more. The only thing really stopping me from going all out is I don't really want to ship my Escalade all the way to New Mexico to have Armageddon do the work. But then I got the deal of a lifetime from my guy Craig over at Cooney Cadillac Chevrolet on the transport. He basically hooked it up for me. So Armageddon made me a deal I couldn't refuse as far as upgrading the engine. And it's going to be badass. The engine's going to be capable of handling 1,000. We're going to try to put at least 900 to the ground. 800, 900. I'm not going to exaggerate. 800, 900. But the engine's going to be able to handle 1,000 when we're done. But for sure, getting a deal on the transport the way I did, getting hooked up proper the way I did from my guys over at Cooney, man, I just had to take the bait. And now my Escalade is on its way to New Mexico for the complete engine rebuild. That's going to be badass. This is just a partial list of all the stuff that I'm getting right here. Of course, I'm getting the cam, springs, and the DOD delete kit. They're talking about I'm getting a couple extra goodies along with it. And of course, my exhaust is finally going to be done with all the cutouts and everything else. The full exhaust from the front to the back. So stay tuned for this build because in a few days, I'm going to fly out to Albuquerque and I'm going to get some videos. And this thing is going to be badass. So I'm about ready to say goodbye to my baby right now and finish this video up. Until then, thanks for watching. Oh, shit. Look at this truck. Coming to pick the caddy up. Alright, so the plan is to meet up with it in New Mexico when it's almost in and while it's being tuned again. Next time I see her, she's going to be about 200 more horsepower than she was when we finished the turbo. See you later, old girl. Hope you like your upgrades.